In the name of Allah, the most beneficent, the most merciful. Ctrl is a control key that also control function in Excel with the combination of the other keys. Now let's see its combination and their functions. Press Ctrl with N on your keyboard. Now the new workbook has opened. Press Ctrl with O to open the workbook that is already existing in your computer. Press Ctrl with P to set up for printing and print the existing file. Press Ctrl with S to save the working file. Now saved. Press Ctrl with W to close the workbook. Here the workbook has been closed. You can see over there. Now we will reopen it. Now press Ctrl with F4. Excel file also closed. After this, I write over there. Now I press Ctrl with Z. Now the written text has been undo. Now press Ctrl with Y to reappear the text. Now the text has been reappear. Press Ctrl with F2 to check the print view, how it appear after print. Press Ctrl with F1 to hide the ribbon and to reappear it. Thanks for watching.